Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make Messi in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take earth. Then add wind to it. It will make dust. Then add wind to it. It will make sandstorm. Then add sandstorm to it. It will make dust storm. Then add sandstorm to it. It will make dust bowl. Then take water on other side. Then add dust to it. It will make mud. Then add mud to dust bowl. It will make mud bowl. Then add mud to it. It will make football. Then add football to it. It will make soccer. Then add dust to it. It will make Messi. Then take earth on other side. Then add water to it. It will make plant. Then add wind to it. It will make dandelion. Then add soccer to it. It will make Lionel Messi. Voila! And that's how you make Lionel Messi in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.